In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see payroll journals on Xero. Navigating your finances, especially when dealing with payroll, can be a daunting task. However, platforms like Xero have made it incredibly user-friendly to manage and review your financial activities, including examining your payroll journals. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or new to managing payroll, this tutorial will walk you through the steps needed to access and review your payroll journals within Xero. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Once you're there, you will notice a login button situated in the top right corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Be sure to enter the correct details associated with your Xero account. This step is crucial for security purposes and ensures that only authorized personnel have access to your financial information. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll be greeted by the Xero dashboard, a central hub where you can access various features and financial reports, including payroll journals. From the dashboard, navigate to the accounting section. The user interface in Xero is designed to be intuitive, so locating the accounting tab shouldn't be difficult. It's typically located in the top navigation bar. This is your gateway to various accounting features, including the one we're interested in today, the payroll journals. After you've clicked on accounting, the next step is to find and select the journal report. This option allows you to access detailed reports of all accounting entries, including payroll. The presence of visual aids and screenshots throughout the platform can provide additional guidance, making it easier to locate the journal report option. Now it's time to dive deeper into your payroll details. With the journal report open, you will need to specify the date range for which you want to review payroll information. This step is crucial as it enables you to narrow down the entries to a specific payroll period. Selecting a date range helps in making your review process more organized and focused. Once you have chosen the desired date range for your payroll, the final step is to click on Update. This action refreshes the report, displaying only the entries that fall within your specified period. It streamlines the information, making it easier for you to review and analyze your payroll journals without having to sift through irrelevant data. A few additional tips to enhance your experience. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and various options within the journal report section. Understanding how to filter, sort, and interpret the data can significantly improve your efficiency and the insights you gain from reviewing your payroll journals. Keep in mind that managing payroll and reviewing journals are integral aspects of financial management. Ensuring accuracy and staying informed about your business's payroll activities are crucial for compliance and financial health. Xero's platform is designed to make these tasks manageable, providing you with a clear view of your financial standing. Through this tutorial, you've learned how to log into your Xero account, navigate to the accounting section, access payroll journal reports, select a specific date range, and update the report to see the relevant payroll journals. Remember, regular reviews of your payroll journals can help you spot discrepancies early and keep your financial records accurate. And there you go, you've successfully navigated through Xero to access and review your payroll journals. It's straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made managing your payroll a little easier. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Whether you're fine-tuning your financial management skills or exploring new features in Xero, we're here to help guide you through. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.